Hi everyone, it's Chris from English Key. In today's video, we continue to look at Read Aloud, and it's going to be a practice this time. I have 3 sample texts for you, and I'm going to give you the opportunity to practice by yourself, then listen to my pronunciation, and then we'll have a discussion about some of the things that were difficult in each text. So what I want you to do is when I go to the text, I would like you to pause the video, read the text, and then practice yourself. In the exam you have 40 seconds to read the text, but you can finish earlier than 40 seconds if you need to. Don't try and fill the whole time by speaking slowly. Here's the first text. Remember to pause the video. Okay, so I will read the text and see how it compares to yours. Morality is a private and costly luxury, wrote the author Henry James, in a statement that seems to condemn all the poor and mistreated to the rubbish heap. Indeed, while morality has been defined in the United Nations, human rights declarations upholding such values is neither cheap nor straightforward. So in this text there are some words which can be quite difficult to pronounce. Words such as costly luxury, condemn, morality, human rights declarations, straightforward. Don't forget to read naturally. Don't try to read too slowly. The second text is coming up. Don't forget to pause, check the text for any difficult words, and then read yourself. Here goes. Okay, my turn. Throughout history, the clash between the old and the young has been a defining feature of both reality and literature. Parents have power over their children, but as those juveniles approach adolescence, they begin to put pressure on their parents' power. They test the rules, they rebel, they create their own rules. The parents are puzzled, frustrated, and resentful about the shift in the balance of power. So this text is fairly long. You should have to read it quite quickly, but there are some words that you may struggle with. Words such as adolescence and rebel. Don't forget the exam is going to be testing your pronunciation of words which are homophones. That means words which may sound the same. They'll also test you on homographs, words which look the same. In this case we have a homograph, which is the word rebel. So the verb is rebel and the noun is rebel. Text 3 is coming up. Here goes. In a country where government and families alike are tightening their belts and trying to make do with less, you could be pardoned for thinking that private education would be in a bit of a jam right now. And yet, although fees at independent schools in Britain have approximately doubled over the last 2.5 decades, pupil numbers are at the highest since records started in 1974. In the exam you might find that you struggle to get some of the words out. Please don't try and go back and repeat yourself. This is called a false start. If you try to say words more than once, the computer picks up on this and you will lose marks for that. So if you don't know how to pronounce a word, or if you're really struggling, just keep going. That's my advice to you, keep going. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our other PTE videos. Really hope you have a good day. See you soon.